Hi, welcome back to Urban Surfaces. In this video, we'll be showing you how to install our reducer molding. Reducers are designed for areas where flooring of different heights meet. It forms a mild slope that bridges the two surfaces together, creating a gentle, clean transition. To start, make sure there's a 1-inch gap between both floors and that the slim track is placed 3/8 of an inch from the floor. Using 6x5/8 screws, we're going to screw in both the shim and the track once all measurements have been made. To add additional security to your molding, we recommend adding adhesive onto the track. To secure the molding properly, use a rubber mallet to tap it in from one end to the other. Make sure it's engaged completely along the full length of the track. And we've just completed the full installation of the Urban Surfaces reducer molding. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.